Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Porus. Now Porus is in Manchester and the town of Porus is seeing some serious economic fallout from the opening of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now we are driving on the main road that takes us through Porus. This is the original main road for the South Coast. The highway is to the left of us and it's a 4-lane dual carriageway. Very nice highway. Now this highway is supposed to be a toll road, but for some reason NROC, who represents the government, and Trans Jamaica Highway, who owns the concession to collect toll on the road, cannot come to an agreement. So since the highway has been open since August of last year, they have not charged toll. So that is literally it's causing a serious problem for communities like Clarendon Park and Porus, because there are no exits on the highway for Clarendon Park or Porus. So motorists are using the free highway, can't blame them, instead of this road. So you notice how empty this road is. This used to be a very busy thoroughfare. And there's no indication that an agreement is going to be put in place between NROC and Trans Jamaica Highway. Now, what happened was when the highways were originally being built, and this is the Kingston to Maypen leg now, a foreign entity would pay to build the road and they collect toll and pay themselves back for building the road. Now, Trans Jamaica Highway bought out basically the concession. So they now own the concession to collect toll. And the government, for some reason, they paid 188 million US to build the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. And then they turned around and wanted to sell that highway to Trans Jamaica Highway. And Trans Jamaica Highway does not seem interested in buying the highway. So as a result, Trans Jamaica Highway owns a concession to collect toll, but they didn't pay to build the road. The government paid to build the road, but they don't own the concession to collect the toll. So the two companies or entities need to work something out. Now, what's happening is Trans Jamaica Highway controls the toll plazas on the rest of the highway. So they are seeing an increase in their toll usage. So basically they're making more money even though they're not collecting toll at toll gate in Clarendon. That's where the toll plaza is. Because people are getting on the highway, using the free section, liking it so much that they're just staying on the highway and paying toll at the other toll plazas. So remember now, Trans Jamaica Highway is losing nothing by not collecting toll at the toll gate, toll plaza, because they paid nothing for the road to be built. So there is no incentive for them to spend 188 million to pay for the building of the road. They are benefiting and they spent nothing. Now the question is, why did the government do that? The government should have worked out this arrangement with Trans Jamaica Highway before they went ahead and built the highway. But what's done is done, and no toll is being collected on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. And as a result of that, fewer people are going through Porus, as you can see. It's literally a ghost town. And the business places in Porus, or the entire area of Porus, is seeing some serious economic fallout. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.